Yeah, my people, welcome back to the channel, Moneyras TV. Here, so we have the real bad boy Jamaican short film here. Want to like, share, subscribe. Check it out. That one here, brand new. We're coming at you again. It's been a while I not post a video, you know, but here me I say people, just give me some time. The support me now, and you know the team not so big, you know what I mean? I just certain things and certain people where I help me out, you know. But me alone my people, so you know, I try to get it done, right? The work continue. I have to put in the work, I have to do the work, right? And that's what we're there for. We do the work. So people, like, share, subscribe, just continue. Check out that one here. That one here named The Struggle is Real. You know what I mean? Realer than Holyfield. Moneyras TV. Coming at you again. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, people. Just tell a friend to subscribe.
Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call my phone and tell me about no body. A tile is all about the money. Don't call my phone if you're not money. Don't waste me time if you're not money. Don't call my phone and tell me about no body. A tile is all about the money. Time is money and money is time. So oh some boy I waste them time. Sit down pan corner, scream cream lime. Money man a program every year, every time. Tell the little chatterbox them fi stop chat. Stop blow up my phone like it a Snapchat. Money man a program, that's what.
Cooking ideas. When you can't cook, you can't cook, man, how you say, man.
Yeah, man, me want to make some smoothies, man. See, real smoothies.
Yeah.
Get a pine when a real too ripe to that. See?
Yeah.
And put ripe banana.
Amen.
And blend the pine. And put the ripe banana in the pine and blend them.
You say you're going to check on him clear. You see it, man, DJ Sparks. You see it?
Yeah.
And I'm going to deal with it. Remember, so when I tell me the panic puncher, so I go there to give some problem, you know, I cannot see him back there. But when we're still in, soon come still here. So you have to do, just go and hold off with me or something. Still when he come, because he soon come here. You something on mind, do? Alright. You can pay. Hold this up. See when he forward.
Boy, I want to know, so I find one little leaking for the cranky side, me that sort out there, no?
Black man, I left the boy with, so I don't want to tarry and have him running too long, you know? Because night I come down.
Yeah, man, see, that done right away now, man. I just throw in the eye the night and start up back on, you know?
Man, because you don't know them things you take times. Yeah, man. You see me, brother? It's the way you have to do, because you don't know the thing, bro. You see me?
Off the window.
Just know, say, me nah rent them little boy they no more. You get what I say? Because them young boy they don't know what them a do. They want to drive and mash up people car. They really have the conscience. Look, crank here, smash up. All kind of something now. You see, they know much that I cost, man.
Look at the crankcase, man, and two I bought them slack up, you see me? So therefore, I just pull it off and seal it back first. So right now, throw him at the aisle, good to go.
Alright, no problem. That no sound bad.
Sealer, you see?
The machine can move soon, though.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, man. Yo, black man, how go on?
Yo, brother, we are here.
Yeah, man, everything good?
Yeah, man, everything up, man.
Yo, you know, we just have to check up and make sure the youth are right and everything good, right?
Yeah, man, you up, man.
Yeah, man, when you say you have him a player, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, man, I know, man. So, man, a good boy, man. You know, you have just know some boy, yo. We don't have him a foot, so we just have to keep him a foot. But you can't deal with him and you go somewhere. You just left him a foot, because you don't know him good.
Round I care, man, but they are going to start out, people start out. You see me? Find out, say the one is fire sparks. Him don't know what I do when it comes to business, you know?
Oh, I know. A good thing, I don't like car thing in a style. Maybe like car thing and I couldn't happen still now.
You have to know who him rent the car to. You can't just rent anybody, you know what I mean?
Boy, come like first box, come like some boy, I don't know how I'm a deal with star. But if you know a man them for true, man, because a man them a joke at you, man.
Yeah, man, I soon call you back still and check again and make sure everything. Because I'm soon done, you know, Yeah, man, it's so done. I look what I go on and make sure everything is. See me?
Yeah, man, him have to check in for the man, the man knows the man can enjoy good and thing, you know. That's why, you know, just check in for the money. Him have to know say, boy, yo, man, I'm a good driver. That's why I can't do mash up and I crash out.
But my day I still I go and make sure it's alright and everything up. I look like I done him done up now. Alright?
Alright then. Look more then.
Alright. Alright, look more.
Look more then, yeah.
Yeah, man, do it, you know?
Yeah, man. Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
All is well with there forward in the jungle, yeah, brother. I'm going, everything going.
Yeah, man. Easy, you know.
Shamar there. Shamar, come in, man, you ready? You good? Yeah. Alright, Black man take care of you. Alright, him treat you good. Yeah, you know somebody that work on the car because yo, the car must have but black man, I just want to see it just as still. You see me? I'm there still one more, I'm tired, brother. So you don't know, say, yo, the man mash up the crankcase and do things like that. The man like him rent the wrong man, the machine, you see me?
Oh, yeah, that's facts.
Yeah, fire sparks, man. So, I want to see me and I can ask him if he never do a really background check for the man then to know, say, I be a little fucker man, him get the vehicle. Because the man don't care, the man just a drive car. Yo, what I get to understand too, what him do is him use somebody else's license and rent the machine. So fire sparks now aware of that. You see me?
I mean, so now I'm going to have the real license.
Right, they make a young you bring a next man and use the license to get the car. And never the youth where crash the car, me see, you know, I deal with the mats. You see me, because you give me a piece of food and I say, alright, madam, so here what? And I saw it I go next time, you know, me I go run the business next time, because yo, me not like fire sparks and deal with things, you see me? You have to run a background check and know, say, yo, the youth, them, a good youth, can deal with mats, you see me? And there's some jumpy youth who want to deal with the mats, you see me I say?
That's a real man for the thing.
Yeah, brother.
Man have a well license and something, you see me I say?
You see me?
Because we're not going on a license and go up on the road right now. I work probably on the road, you know.
You see me, madam? So, I leave the one fire sparks and now, you see me? Just give a thanks to go and watch over the youth for me while I make a deal with the car.
You're supposed to go down on William Street, you know. Yeah. On the street, you're supposed to do.
I buck him, man, because right now, me and Shamar out, I go get something to eat and them something, you see me? Yeah, man. Shamar, come here, you good?
Yeah.
Yes, miss, now I'm looking at the camera. You see me? Just make sure you're good, man. You know what I mean? We're going to buy a bag juice, yeah? Black, respect again and no money. We're out, Shamar. Out to out.
Shamar, look more, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I have to do same thing.
Black, so I go on.
But they are all a key door.
Let's see the boy Indian.
You know, so when I time and gone over a gambling place.
Alright. Over there, sir? Alright, now let's check it. So come, yeah? Yeah, Indian. Come here, I'm talking to you. Yeah, man, so yo. Alright, My youth, what kind of style that, my lord? You know, so the youth where you rent the car, you have the license. And not him mash up the car. No one next little youth, my youth. You come like the youth to rent the car, can't drive, so use the young youth to drive and mash up the car and all them things. The whole of the crankcase mash up. I rock me make bumbo cloud after I fix up the thing that I think they even know me. I say, John know Indian. Them style they can't work, you have to know them youth where you rent the car to, you see me? You have to check them background and them things there, you see me? You can't just rare, you see it? Yeah, man, remember say a proper thing we are dealing with, man. We not dealing with no idiot thing, man. Oh, no, my lord, yo, them things that feel away, you see me? Yeah. You know, even though the youth give me a piece of food, you give me a piece of dog food, and I eat me up there, youth, and I deal with them, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, just stay and deal with them, I have to deal with. You get what I say? I'm a start out there now, so hear me and say, now change up the thing. Yeah. Yeah. Now change up the thing, you see me? So, I need you now to get in the rest of the car there by next week.
Yeah.
See me, that possible, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so, get in the car by next week, all of them, you see me? Cause you done to tell me I think so. You have 4 days left. And people that bring in the car, just get all of the car them, and we just change up the thing. And we just do the thing one different type of way. We could all go into the juice thing, you see me? Yeah, man, so I just got me the one talk to you about, you have to do 1 bag of thing, €0 for a piece of food to fix the crankcase and 1 bag of thing. And you don't know me have the little youth for me, so a whole heap of thing I have a deal. You see me, I say my youth, so more that I just keep a steady meddy and focus, know where I do. Can't rent anybody the car them, you see me? You have to know where I do better, you see me? Yeah, man, another joke thing. So, you know, I make a flex in it. You see me? Yeah, man, I say nothing. Yeah. Bingo, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, can I ringo? Yeah, my people, no just see the movie. I'm know no like it. Just continue watch, like, share, subscribe. Just share it. Send it to your loved one. Send it to your contact. You know what I mean? Moneyras TV. Continue support the team. See? Yeah, man, we're out here. Outside with there. You know the location. Just continue, people. Show the support, right?